Have you ever been overwhelmed with EQ? Me too. Just when I think I have a good grasp on it, there's something new to learn. This is especially challenging when you're a volunteer sound tech. A few hours a week behind the mixer is simply not enough time to master EQ. The good news is, EQ does not have to be overwhelming. In this course, you'll learn the most important EQ techniques in a way you can easily understand. Well, hey, I'm Cade Young, founder of Collaborate Worship, and my goal is to help worship leaders and church sound techs to become confident and comfortable in their calling. James Wassam will be helping me teach this course. James is the author of Great Church Sound, which is a 5-star rated book on Amazon. And like me, James has a passion for helping churches deliver great sound, and I know you'll enjoy learning from him. So now is the time to relieve that uneasy feeling you get when it comes to EQ. This course will teach you everything you need to know to feel comfortable and confident as you're adjusting those EQ filters. And your time is valuable, which is why this course has been carefully planned out and created to deliver you all the things you need to know in the least amount of time possible. Plus, there are plenty of guides and cheat sheets to help you along the way. So, let's take your sound to the next level.